In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become an Airbnb host, complete guide for beginners. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up your first listing, price it confidently, and go live. Start by heading to the Airbnb website or opening the Airbnb app. If you're new, create an account. If you've used Airbnb before, simply log in. On the homepage, look for the option labeled Become a Host or Airbnb Your Home and select it. This opens the guided setup that walks you through everything you need. Begin setting up your listing by entering the basics about your place. Choose the property type and specify how many guests you can comfortably host. Add the number of bedrooms and bathrooms so travelers can quickly understand your layout. List your amenities, things like Wi-Fi, a dedicated workspace, parking, or a kitchen. Be accurate and complete here. These details help your place appear in the right searches and set clear expectations for guests. Next, upload high-quality photos of your space. Use natural light, tidy each room, and show multiple angles. Include a welcoming exterior shot, your main living areas, bedrooms, bathrooms, and any standout features. Photos are the first impression, so think bright, clean, and honest. Write a clear, attractive description that explains what makes your place special. Outline the layout, highlight amenities, mention the neighborhood vibe, and call out anything guests should know in advance, like stairs or shared spaces. Aim for friendly and specific so guests can picture their stay. Now set your pricing, choose your nightly rate based on your market and seasonality, then add your cleaning fee to cover turnover costs. If you want to encourage longer stays, include weekly or monthly discounts. Finally, set your availability calendar so guests see when your place is open to book. Add your hosting details, create straightforward house rules like quiet hours or policies on smoking and pets. Set check-in and check-out times that work for your cleaning schedule. Pick a cancellation policy that balances flexibility for guests with protection for your calendar. Airbnb may ask you to verify your identity. Be prepared to provide a government ID, complete a quick phone number verification, and confirm your email. This step helps keep the community safe and builds trust with travelers. Before you can get paid, add a payout method. Go to Payments and Payouts and connect your bank account, PayPal, or another method available in your country. Double-check details so there are no delays. Finally, review every part of your listing carefully. When everything looks right, click Publish to make your property live. You're officially an Airbnb host. Great work!